My name is Atif Chugtai. I work from Liberty Motors along Arwings Quebec Road, and we do car sales and also repairs of motor vehicles. I've used XADO now for slightly above a year and completely satisfied with the product, especially with the AMC for the engines. The experience we've had is amazing. One of the vehicles we used it on actually runs like a brand new car. No more sounds from the engines, no more sounds of the tappets. There was so much wear and tear on this particular engine, and after we did the treatment, the following day in the morning, the sound of the tappets disappeared. After that, the car has done over 20,000 kilometers. No sound up to date. We've done an oil change without using the AMC also, and also loss of oil. Loss of oil reduced by slightly above a half. It now uses about half a liter of oil and not a liter as before for 2 tankfuls of petrol. So it's really amazing. I'm fully satisfied. So I just have good words and praise for the product.